So good. Delicious.
Absolutely mind-blowingly delicious fried catfish. You know, here at the Savoring, making delicious food is just how we roll.
We roll like that. We pull it full of flavor.
That's right.
So here we're going to make some fried catfish with some amazing fresh tartar sauce.
If you're new here, I'm Jimmy.
And I'm Richie.
Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss all the delicious dishes we're going to make on this channel.
All right, let's get started.
This is a look at all the ingredients we're going to use to make this delicious fried catfish.
All right, so we're going to use fresh catfish. This is not frozen. It is freshly caught. We're going to use corn flour. We're going to use cornmeal, finely ground cornmeal. There is a difference between corn flour and cornmeal. We're going to use some corn starch. We're going to use some baking powder. We're going to use some hot sauce, some W sauce, some Creole mustard, some eggs, and some milk. These are the spices we're going to use to season the flour. Okay, so we're using salt, MSG, coarse black pepper, paprika, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, mustard powder, cayenne pepper, celery seed, oregano, and brown sugar. Once all that's in, we're going to use lemon zest also. First thing we're going to do is make our wet batter. This also acts as a marinade. We're going to start with our eggs. We're going to pour in our milk. We're going to pour our W sauce in. Grab some hot sauce, throw it in there. We're going to get Creole mustard. You could use any mustard you want. Down here in the South, we like the Creole mustard. So we're going to take our whisk and we're going to start mixing this, and we're going to mix it really, really good. All right, so take our fish. We're going to salt the fish, and we're going to add it to the mixture. All right, so once it's in there, grab you a spatula, kind of mix everything up, make sure everything's evenly coated. And we're going to go ahead and take that, and we're going to throw it in the fridge, and it's going to act as a marinade. Meanwhile, we're going to start with our dry batter. So we're going to take our cornmeal, our corn flour, we're going to take our corn starch, and we're going to take our baking powder. We're going to add about a teaspoon of lemon zest. And take all our spices we have pre-measured out and dump them in there. We're going to take a whisk and we're going to mix this thing really, really good.
I want to get it all nice and unified.
All right, it's going to look something like this. Everything is evenly distributed. All right, so we're going to take a batter bowl. If y'all don't know what a batter bowl is, this is a batter bowl. We're going to put a link in the description also if you want to grab one.
Next, we're going to throw all that fish in the batter bowl and get it all nice and battered up.
This one got a hole in it. I busted it up, so it's leaking a little bit. Yours is not going to leak like this unless you bust it up like I did.
And there we are. Look at that.
That is an amazing looking pre-fried fish right there, bro.
Pre-fried.
So look, we're going to take these, put them on a plate, and you want to let them sit 5 to 10 minutes. Don't throw these directly into the fryer. This gives the chance for the flour and everything to incorporate and permeate the fish. Meanwhile, we're going to make some tartar sauce. So we're going to use some mayonnaise, some dill, some Creole mustard, some black pepper. We're going to squeeze some lemon, and we took some dill pickle and capers and chopped them up really, really fine, and we're going to add them in it to it too. So
if you guys haven't tried homemade tartar sauce, it'll change your life. If you like store-bought tartar sauce, this is going to blow your mind because it's just so much better.
All right, so start with your mayo and just grab all your ingredients and chunk them in there.
Yeah, tartar sauce is really easy. You just put everything together, mix it up, and you're done, basically.
We didn't use any salt in our tartar sauce because of the pickled capers, and the pickled dill have quite a bit of salt to them. Take your lemon and squeeze. It's about a half a lemon. This is a large lemon, but we're going to squeeze a half a lemon and get all the juice in there. Don't put any seeds.
Nobody likes lemon seeds. Well, there's probably some weird people out there that like lemon seeds, but, you know.
I bet you could do something with them.
Well, you could grow a lemon tree.
Hey. All right, so mix it up really good in the bowl. Grab your spatula, scrape the sides and the bottom like so. Make sure everything's really, really mixed.
Right now it looks a little loose, but we're going to put it in the fridge and let it chill out, and it'll thicken up.
Meanwhile, let's get our fryer out. Today, we're using a counter fryer. We have fried outside in a big butane fryer. We have fried on the stove. You can fry any way you want. Today, we're going to use a counter fryer. It's just going to hold the temperature a little bit better for us.
We're running the fryer at about 350.
Once the oil's up to temp, we're going to throw 3 pieces of fish in there. You don't want to overcrowd the basket because it'll get greasy and won't cook right. About a minute in, I like to take the basket, kind of take it out and shake everything up a little bit, make sure nothing's sticking. Put it back in. A minute or two later, I take it up, and I like to flip these over. This isn't necessary, seeing they're submerged, but I think it does brown a little bit better when you flip them over. It gets it more even.
Never hurts anyway.
Can't hurt. And put them down, fry them for a couple more minutes, and pick them up when they're about this color right here, golden brown. Let it drain for just a minute. And put them on
they
our...
look so good.
Oh, they look good. They look good. You know, should have grabbed a fork and scraped these so you could hear how crispy these are. We'll do that next time because they are crispy. We're going to put them on a cooling rack so that they dry evenly on both sides.
Perfectly fried catfish. And this method really works for any fish, not just catfish.
Yeah, any fish you want to do.
Really, almost any kind of fish you want to fry.
Right. And you don't have to use corn flour. You know, we're using corn where you could use regular flour. You could change up the flours. You could do a lot of different things.
Now, the second batch was a little bit thicker, so we went a little bit longer. They came out slightly darker.
That one's got a little bubbo.
That's okay. You know, it's going to still be delicious. Man, look at all that delicious fried
they
fish.
Look good.
Woo-wee.
I cannot wait to eat these things.
That is some delicious looking fried fish, man. Look at that.
They look great. They taste great. This fish is packed full of flavor.
Yeah, I can't wait to try this. You ready to try this
I'm ready.
out?
Let's try it.
All right, guys, it's time to try this fish. I can't wait to have a bite of this. Grab you one, dude.
I can't either, man. This looks so good. Here, I'm gonna see.
Okay, I gotta try. Yeah, put some lemon on there because I forgot. Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
Gotta get that little lemon squeezy on there. I'm gonna take this piece right here unless you want that one.
No, you take whatever you want. I'm gonna take this one.
All right. And I know you don't eat tartar sauce, so you don't have to have the tartar sauce, but I'm gonna try the tartar sauce.
Bro, look at that.
It's beautiful on the inside.
Perfectly cooked.
It's crispy. Let me get a little of this homemade tartar.
So good.
Delicious. So full of flavor.
Dude. Really good.
You know, you go to a restaurant and you just can't get this type of flavor.
Perfectly cooked. Outside's crispy.
So flavorful. Amazing.
The sauce good?
Yeah, the sauce is good. Take my word for it since you don't eat it. Yeah, the sauce is good.
You guys got to try that video and tell us what you think about it.
Yep, tell us what you think.
If y'all liked this or learned anything at all, please like our channel and like the video.
We'll see you guys on the next one.